How to add favorites bar in Microsoft Edge. So let's get started. So if you don't see your favorite bar here, like this, I'm gonna show you how to edit. Now I'm gonna hide it. So what you need to do first is click on these three dots in the top right corner and then go settings. Next step is appearance. Scroll down until you find show favorites bar. Click on it and choose the option always. And now we can see favorites bar here, like this. So I'm gonna show you one more time real quick. Three dots in the top right corner, settings, appearance, and then scroll down, show favorites bar. And you can also choose option only on new tabs, but I'm gonna keep it always. If you choose never, it will disappear again. And this is how can you do it. Thanks for watching. If you got some question, leave a comment. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button and see you one click later.